Hello students, good morning. In the last class we have completed the construction and working of standard hydrogen electrode. Now let us move to the determination of the next concept. Let us move to the determination of electrode potential of different electrodes. How we are going to measure the electrode potential values of a particular electrode. A simple concept. Now, the electrode whose potential values is going to measure is taken in its electrolytic solution and it is connected with the SHE. First, in order to determine the electrode potential of an electrode, prepare its half cell and it is connected with SHE. Okay, first we need to take, for example, if I want to determine the electrode potential values of zinc electrode. So first, prepare this half cell, that is zinc electrode is dipped in zinc sulfate solution. It is one half cell and it is going to connect with SHE. It is going to connect with SHE. It is connected with SHE by using voltmeter. When it is connected with the SHE, by using salt bits and voltmeter, plug key, etc. When plug key is connected and this voltmeter are the cell value, it shows 0.76 volt. So this is the oxidation potential of zinc, because zinc is kept at the left side, therefore zinc undergoing oxidation, its potential is this. Now reduction potential values कितना आता है इसका? Minus 0.76. So how? Let us consider here some reactions. Now, simple है, electrode potential values of different electrode can be measured with respect to SHE. Now, as in the last class, we know that when it is connected at the right hand side, it acts as cathode and it undergo reduction, and this half, the other half undergo oxidation. Lone, left hand side undergo oxidation, which is a anode and negative terminal. Now, how we are going to measure? Now, by connecting these two, we are getting the cell potential. So, cell potential values, E cell is equals to E right minus E left. Okay, E cell का values तो हमको आ चुका है. We got the values of E cell. Here it is 0.76 volt, that is equals to right side. Right hand side कौन सा है? SH. SH का electrode potential values कितना है? 0 minus. Left hand side कौन सा है? Zinc. That means zinc reduction potential values, zinc Zn plus 2 bar zinc, that is equals to this 0 minus this values. So I want this values. So therefore rearrange करो. E reduction potential of zinc is equals to 0 minus 0.76 volt. That is equals to minus 0.76 volt is the its potential. देखिए यहाँ पर reduction potential values of zinc is minus 0.76. Reduction potential है. Reduction potential, that means if this half cell is connected at the right side and SHE is connected at the left side, then the cell potential values is minus 0.76. ये नेगेटिव में आ रहे, इसीलिए I have connected zinc at the left side, SHE at the right side. Now its value is 0.76. So by knowing this values, SHE values arbitrarily taken as 0, so we can calculate or we can determine the electrode potential of zinc. Similarly, you can check here, I have chosen copper electrode also. If suppose copper electrode is connected with the salt bridge, these two are internally connected by salt bridge. Now, if copper electrode, in this case, copper is placed at the right hand side, SHE is placed at the left hand side. Suppose If copper is placed at the left and SHE is placed at the right hand side, then its values कितना आता है यहाँ पर -0.34. Its value is shown in the voltmeter and that values we need to know. So look at this. In this case, E cell is equals to E right minus E left. यहाँ पर जो भी values आते हैं, any values, that values you need to take. If it is plus, then our connections is right. That means SHE, where we have connected either left or right, that is right. If we are getting a negative values, then you change these two half cell, interchange these two half cell and note down the values, left side or right side, because with respect to this we are measuring the electrode potential values of an electrode. So in this case, E cell value is 0.34. E right hand side कौन सा है? Right side copper, E copper, reduction potential of Cu bar Cu minus E left hand side is SHE, its value is 0. So therefore reduction potential of copper value is equals to 0.34 plus 0.34. This is the values. So I have measured the electrode potential of copper, electrode potential of zinc, its values I can measure by using SHE. Suppose assume करो, अगर if these two मुझे पता नहीं, I want to connect SHE and half cell to the voltmeter and I want to measure its potential. So just SHE is connected at the left hand side, copper is connected at the right hand side. In the voltmeter it shows the readings 0.34. Then we need to note these values. Suppose by mistakenly if I connected copper at the left side and SHE at the right side, then in the voltmeter it shows the reading minus 0.34. In the voltmeter, if it's showing the negative, usually it won't show. Digital raha to minus means our connections is wrong. We have wrongly connected these two cells. So again you can interchange these two positions, left hand side and right hand side. So at the left side copper and right side SHE, and then note down the values, cell potential values, and then you can measure the electrode because SHE values is 0. Similar to this, you can connect any electrode at this point, electrode or left or right. In one side the metal M, any metal M, you can prepare another half cell. So a metal whose electrode potential values you want to know, make this electrode, this is the metal M, and dip in its electrolytic solution. That means it must and should containing M plus ions. The metal dipped in its electrolytic solution, it acts as a half cell. This is one half cell. This half cell, when it is connected with SHE, then we can measure its potential values. Remember this concept. So it is a simple concept how we are going to determine the electrode potential of different electrode. So by using this, the number of metals are the electrodes whose electrode potential values we can measure, and these electrodes are arranged in the increasing or decreasing order of their potential values to form the electrochemical series. In the next class we will discuss about the electrochemical series and its application, the very important topic for objectives. Electrochemical series and its application in the next class. So in order to define the electrochemical series, आपको इसके बारे में पता रहना चाहिए, because different electrodes, zinc, copper, magnesium, silver, iron, etc., any electrode, you make one half cell for the electrode whose values we are going to determine and connect it with the SHE. If the voltmeter showing negative readings, then our connections is wrong. You interchange the positions. When it shows the positive reading, that means we have connected correctly. Note down the cell potential, and by using this formula you can measure the electrode potential values. Note down all the electrode potential values of the electrodes, zinc, copper, magnesium, silver, iron, etc., and then arrange these electrodes based upon its values, either in the increasing order or in the decreasing order. It forms a series that is known as electrochemical series, that we'll discuss in the next class.